We'll guide you through how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may find that it goes and opens up automatically when you click a link, or maybe when you start your computer. If it happens when you click a link, to go and change this and stop it, click on the Windows button at the bottom and then open up your settings. In your settings, come to the left and click on Apps, and what you then need to do is click on Default Apps. And what you want to do is click on the search here and you want to type in Edge like so and find it. Now we can go down here and see the file types or link types and what web browser is used for it. So if I go and scroll down, the main ones you want to adjust are HTTP and HTTPS. So to go and change it, you can go and click on it and then choose the browser you want to use. And therefore, Microsoft Edge won't be used. So you need to go through this entire list and go and set the default web browser like so. As I said, the HTTPS ones are the main ones, but yeah, work through the list here. I've now changed what I can to Chrome. And so now when I click a link, Chrome should open up and not Edge. The next thing we can do is click on Apps again on the left, and we want to go and find Startup here. And what you can then do is scroll down and find Microsoft Edge and go and switch it off, like so, if you're finding that this opens on startup. And that's it.